Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're going to be talking about how to disable TalkBack on your iPhone SE. So let's begin with the video now.
What's up everyone, welcome back to Serg-Tech. Sergio here. In this channel I do a lot of tech reviews and tutorials, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos like this. There's going to be links to everything that I talk about in this video in the description down below, so do check that out, and let's get right on with the video.
So your new iPhone might come with this as a preset, or maybe you just activated it by accident and you're trying to get rid of it, since it is a little bit annoying if you don't actually need it. So the first thing you want to do is unlock your phone, and now you're going to make one tap on settings and then double tap it in order to open it.
Settings, one new item.
So once you're in settings, you're going to have two options to do this, and the first one is going to be just with 3 fingers. So 3 fingers to scroll down. You're going to go to accessibility, double tap to get in, and then you're going to see voice over. You're going to select it once and double tap. And here you're going to have the double tap to toggle the setting to either activate it or deactivate it. In this case, we're trying to get it off, so we're just going to do that, and your phone is going to go back to normal. And the second way to do this is by just going to your search bar, double tap it, and then you're going to type in voice over by just selecting the letter and then double tapping it. And it's going to be the third option right here, as you can tell. So just go there, double tap it, and it's going to take you to the same menu that we were at before. And that's going to be all. So that was it on the video on how to turn off the TalkBack on your iPhone SE. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and give it a like and leave a comment down below on which process was your favorite. Subscribe for more content like this, and I will see you in the next video.